Hey everybody, my name is Bernell Nevil. I use he, him, his pronouns, and I serve as the Associate Director in the Office of Multicultural Learning, which includes our Rainbow Resource Center. A question we get asked often is how is OML and RSC different from the Multicultural Center or the MCC? Both are great resources, but we do serve different purposes. The MCC is one of the charter student organizations, or CSOs, on campus. They are run for students and are run by students. Now, OML and RSC, we are a university department that is run by professional staff. We serve as a resource to undergraduate students, graduate students, faculty, and staff. So we host coordinated events, programs, and workshops and trainings all through the lens of identity. Some of our signature events: Women's History Month luncheon for faculty and staff, cultural celebration for Lunar New Year, and our Queer Festival, one of my favorites. One question that we wish more students asked us is how we can be better allies and advocates for other communities here on campus. Simple answer: stop by one of our events and programs. All of our events are open to anyone to attend. In fact, we actually encourage people to learn and engage across and through difference. It's only this acknowledgement and celebration of other people is how we can become a better campus for all, where we can all belong and thrive. And so, easy way to do that: stop by our office sometime. OML is located here, 832 Market Street, right across the street from SWIG. The RC is located in the Benson Memorial Center in the lower level, room 11.